Welcome to Redneck Welding, lesson number 1. That's a welder. This is a piece of metal, and this is another piece of metal. I'm gonna make this piece of metal part of that piece of metal. We got the electrode and the wire and the grounding strap and stuff. I'm gonna put on some gloves, and I got a welding helmet. We're gonna do some welding. We're gonna do some welding. So this is not a proper welding position. Kneeling with your hand unsupported, but this is redneck welding, so this is how we do it. Alright, let me turn off this welder so I don't electrocute. For all those of you who know how to weld, you're probably dying laughing right now. And then we got some slag. Clean that up a bit. Let's clean this up a bit. That is quite likely the worst welding job you've ever seen. That is ugly. Ugly. But welded. Welded. Ugly, but welded. Go ahead and laugh. Go ahead and laugh. Go ahead and laugh.